This is the type of paper I use for my chip bags when I'm making for my daughter's graduation. I got this off of Amazon. It's the PPD. I like the PPD because you use it in inkjet printers, and this is double sided, but I like it glossy because on both sides, and it comes out good. But let me show you guys. This is the setting I use. My printer is the Canon Pixma T TR 7500 series. Okay, so I set my paper to glossy paper. It says to set it to glossy paper, and it's 8 by 10, and I shrink to fit. And I think I'm gonna do 10 now because I'm making 20 bags. Um, just enough for a little party favor at her graduation party. And this is the bag that I came up with. I did do this bag myself on Canva. If you guys want to know, I did do this template myself off of Canva. And us being saved and her being saved, I did it like this, like that, okay? And so what I do, I go to print, and I'm gonna show you guys where it's printing from. Okay, it's printing from here. It comes from the paper from right here. Y'all can see. And this is my printer. This is what kind of print it is, Canon. It is a touchscreen printer. Well, the glass is touchscreen where you do your printing. And I'm gonna show you guys. It comes out right here, and this is the chip bag. That's how it comes out. It prints really well, you guys. So yeah, that's how I'm doing my chip bags right there. And this is how her chip bag looks, y'all. This is how it looks. And I use the little crinkle, the paper crimper that you get off of Amazon. And the glue, the permanent glue thing that I use is this one, y'all. This is the best. I don't even have to use my glue gun for it. So yeah, you guys, that was my little mini showing you guys how I'm making my daughter graduation bags.